Friday night is pizza night on our off-grid homestead. Yum! But we have to make the dough. It goes into the refrigerator before we leave. I get the oven ready while Irene gets the dough out of the refrigerator. Irene flours the cutting board. Then she turns the dough onto the floured cutting board. There's some olive oil left on the top of the dough, so she blots that off. We don't like our crust to be really greasy. Now we had to spend a lot of time down in Prescott, which is an hour and 20 minutes away. I had some appointments and we did a little bit of shopping, but Irene made the pizza dough before we left and she put it in the refrigerator. Now we got home, it's almost 7 o'clock. We've turned the oven on to 500 degrees and now Irene's going to go ahead and make the pizza crust. 11 minutes from coming in the door to pizza in the oven. How long is it going to be in the oven?
I've got it set for 12 minutes, and then I'll check it for the first time and see how much more I need. Sometimes 12 is enough, and sometimes it takes 15. And it might take 15 this time because the dough was colder than usual. I usually let it warm up to room temperature more. But I'm hungry. It's been a long day. The other half of the tomato sauce goes in the fridge. That tomato sauce is mine. I canned that back in September. And I like to have enough to keep me all year round. Unfortunately, I know it's not going to happen this year because we just did not get that good a batch of tomato sauce off. But we'll enjoy it while we can, and then we'll try and find some good organic one. One of the things I like best about using my own tomato sauce is when I can it, I don't can pasta sauce or pizza sauce or something like that. I just literally make tomatoes. And if you were paying attention, you noticed that I sprinkle garlic powder on top of this. That's a really great, quick way to spice up the tomatoes. This tomato, because it was made with mostly Romas and San Marzanos, has a really intense, deep tomato flavor to start with. And I'm always really careful that there's no burn flavors in there. I don't add anything to it. I don't add sugar, salt, anything. And that allows me to use it as a raw material when it comes time to actually can. To actually make something. I can make great pizza sauce simply by adding some spices. I can make great tomato sauce for pasta just by adding some spices. And I can do it based on what we feel like that day. Sometimes I add a mixture of herbs. Tonight, partially because we're in quite a hurry tonight, and partially because I just feel like it, I just put on the garlic. And that's one of the things I love about doing this is no matter what you like on your pizza, if you're making it yourself, you get to choose that. You're not stuck with what they had in the frozen food department. And you don't have to think about what odd things they had in there, all the additives and stuff like that. That was plain tomato sauce, cheeses that I know don't upset my stomach, ham, that's Canadian bacon actually, that I know doesn't upset my stomach, a good chunked pineapples that is in 100% juice. Yes, no, I don't can that myself. I don't have pineapple growing here. But I try and do the best I can in terms of the ingredients. If you put in good ingredients, you have a much better chance of getting something really worthwhile at the other end. Now I know it's come out right if you hear that crunch.